An IS auditor performs a follow-up audit and learns the approach taken by the auditee to fix the findings differs from the agreed-upon approach confirmed during the last audit. Evaluate the appropriateness of the remedial action taken should be the auditor's next course of action. The first step for the auditor should be to carefully assess the deviation between the agreed-upon approach and the actual remedial action taken. It is crucial to determine the reasons behind this discrepancy before jumping to any conclusions. Perhaps the auditee encountered unforeseen challenges or difficulties that prompted them to modify their approach. In such cases, the auditor must seek a comprehensive explanation from the auditee, ensuring that all parties have a clear and accurate overview of the situation. If the auditee provides a valid justification for the deviation, the auditor should evaluate its appropriateness based on the severity of the original findings and the potential impact on the organization's security and operations. It is essential to remember that not all deviations are necessarily detrimental. In some cases, alternative methods or solutions utilized by the auditee may yield better results or align more effectively with the organization's objectives. Therefore, the auditor must exercise professional judgment in evaluating the appropriateness of the remedial action. However, if the auditee fails to provide a satisfactory explanation for the deviation, the auditor has a responsibility to escalate the matter. The auditor should report the discrepancy to higher management, such as the Chief Information Officer, CIO, or Chief Security Officer, CSO, as well as the Audit Committee or Board of Directors. These individuals have the authority to intervene and ensure that appropriate actions are taken to address the deviation adequately.
Additionally, the auditor should review the original audit report and recommendations to determine if any deficiencies existed in the agreed-upon approach. If the auditor realizes that the original recommendations were unclear or open to interpretation, it may have contributed to the auditee's deviation. In such cases, the auditor should strive to provide more precise and unambiguous recommendations in subsequent audits, allowing for a clearer understanding of the required remedial actions.